Happy Wednesday, everyone. Happy Facebook Live. It's Mark Coman from Paul's Photo, the Lab at Paul's Photo, and the Creative Photo Academy. It's a very special day today because we got our first shipment of the Canon EOS R6s. Now, these cameras will be available for you tomorrow on Thursday. So if you want to come down to Paul's Photo, you can line up in the morning when we open at 10, and we have cameras for the first people who come in line. You're able to purchase them. Now, what cameras do we have? This camera comes in three flavors. Number one, the body alone, which is just the camera. Those are $24.99. This is the STM lens, 24 to 105 STM lens. These are $27.99, and we have these in stock. We're going to have these available tomorrow. The 24 to 105 L kits are $35.99. We're still waiting for the bodies and the L kits to arrive. They're supposed to be here today or tomorrow. We're just waiting for UPS. They haven't been very reliable lately. So when those shipments arrive, we'll have cameras for you. Now, let's talk about the R6. I really am happy with the R6. I've been shooting with it for about a month now. Awesome camera, works really well. Everyone's excited about it. 24 megapixels, 4K video. You guys want to see it? Do we want to see the unboxing? Hold on. Can you get in real close? I want to listen. That's right. The hiss of a new box and this new camera smell. It's awesome. So inside the box, you've got the warranty card, the LPE6 NH battery, the instruction book, the battery charger, this really cool plastic tray which comes out, the strap which is keeping it from falling off your neck, another really cool plastic tray, but what you really want to see is inside the bottom here. So here you have it, the Canon EOS R6. 24 megapixels of dreamy photography inside a foam and a bag, double sealed for your protection. Look at that. I really like this camera. It has a great feel to it. I really like the matte finish on this camera. It has a great feel. It's a great feel in the hand. The swinging screen is cool. I really like the dial control on the top, so it makes it really easy to make adjustments. People are very excited about this camera, and I can't blame it. You know, if I was a Canon mirrorless guy, this would be a camera for me. In this box is also the 24 to 105 STM lens. So this is the super quiet, very budget conscious 24 to 105 lens. An awesome choice. It weighs next to nothing. So together, this is going to make a great compact travel, video, scenery photography kit. You know, I'm in love with full frame mirrorless, and the Canon EOS R5 and R6 are right at the top of my list for cameras that you guys should all consider. If you have questions, call me. Come on down to Paul's Photo. Come on down to Creative Photo Academy and take a class and learn. In fact, on Saturday, from 10 a.m. to noon, we'll have Lucha Libre wrestlers here, and we'll have the Canon R5 and R6 cameras so that you can test drive a camera. You can play with the camera. You can see if you really want this camera for yours. And if we have some left on Saturday, you'll be able to buy one. I doubt we'll have any left on Saturday because these cameras are hot. People are going to line up tomorrow morning on Thursday to buy them. If you can't live without a Canon EOS R6, line up here Thursday morning. We have the 24 to 105 kits available. This is going to be awesome fun. I can't wait to help you get the camera of your dreams, to upgrade. Remember, you can trade in your old cameras. You can trade in the cameras you had in high school or your mom and dad's cameras to help you get up the money to get a Canon EOS R6. We're having a lot of fun here at Paul's Photo. We're having a lot of fun at Creative Photo Academy. We're making great pictures and taking lots of pictures, and we want you to be part of us. Mark Coman from Paul's Photo, the Lab at Paul's Photo, and the Creative Photo Academy wishing you happy Wednesday. Tomorrow's a big day here. We'll see you all on Thursday. All of you who can't wait to get the EOS R6, tomorrow is your day. Have a great day. See you real soon.